like, look, let me show you real quick. It's real easy.
Yeah.
So I have my favorites set up right here, right? So this is my horizontal ray. Okay. So let's say I want to put my, I'm just really arbitrarily marking it, right? I'm not
Yeah.
trying to really put it anywhere.
Yeah.
But say I pop a horizontal ray and it's not the color and it doesn't have my text on it that I want. So what I do is I can either go into settings like that, and then it'll pull that up, or I can double click it and it'll do the same thing.
Yeah.
Okay. So this is my visibility. So I can control what time frames I see this level in. I don't want, for instance, my 1 minute levels appearing on my daily chart because they don't mean anything to me on the daily chart. I do want them to appear on, like, a 1, a 5, a 15, 1 hour, and maybe a 4 hour, right? But that's kind of as far as I need to go. So I can adjust that by here. So if I want it to appear on every second, I would just check this 1 through 59. Every minute, 1 through 59 again. Hours, 1 through 24. So that'll be the whole day. So that would cover the 1 hour chart, the 4 hour, and the 12-hour chart. And let's say that let's just call this a 1 minute level. I know this is a 4 hour chart, but let's just call it a 1 minute. So I don't want it to appear in my daily or my weekly or my monthly. And to be honest, I'm not really sure what the ranges checkbox does, to be honest. I have tried to figure it out, but it doesn't seem to make a difference. So I want my 1 minute level to appear on all seconds, all minutes, and all hours, right? And then when I go to a daily chart, it will not appear. Okay.
Yeah.
So now I can go to the text, and let's say I want this to be a 1 minute hold level. So what I'll do is I'll put 1M, then I'll put space, and then I can either put just H, or I can put HOLD, right? And then once I have that, I can pick if I want it on the top, the right side, the left side, the bottom, the center, blah, blah, blah. Then style, I can choose my color, okay? Then I can choose the thickness of the line that I want, all right? And then I can choose the type of line, dashed line, or dotted line. I use dotted lines on the first thickness for my hold levels, okay? And then for my break levels, I use like a line still on the first thickness, right? But let's just say for this one, it's a dotted line for a hold, because that's what we have marked in our text. Now, once I have everything how I want that particular level to be, and let's say I want to reuse that in the future, and I want to be able to do it without having to go through all that, what I can do is go down to template, hit the little drop down box, and I can click on save as. Okay. So when I click on save as, I'm going to be naming that template. So for me, this is going to be a 1 minute template. So I can just still put 1 minute, and I can put just an H if I want, or I can put HOLD if I want, or I can spell out 1 minute hold if I want. It's up to you.
Yeah.
And then I would click save. Okay. I'm not going to do it because I already have mine saved. So from now on, when I drop a line somewhere, okay, like I drop this one, I can go to this little button right here, templates. I can click on that, and I can be like, all right, this is a 1 minute hold.
Yeah.
So I find that 1 minute hold. I click it, it'll change it to my color and the style in which I want. Let's say it was a monthly break of structure. Well, I would just go down, find that, and then it would see. But see, Now, because I'm on a 4-hour and that was a monthly level, it disappeared because I don't need to see that one on the 4-hour. But if I go to the monthly, bam, there it is. You
Yeah.
see?